Morning, YouTube. Well, today I'm just about 9 miles east of Marfa, Texas, at the Marfa Mystery Lights Viewing Center behind me. The Mystery Lights are out over the desert. Uh, they've been reported for hundreds of years. I mean, the first recorded by a Anglo was I'm just on the sign here, Robert Ellison, 1883. There've been all kinds of explanations or names for them. They thought that they were campfires, phosphorescent minerals, swamp gas, static electricity discharges, ghost lights. But they reported they move about, they change color and intensity, and there's hundreds of folk tales from the area as to what they are. The Apaches thought that they were stars falling from the sky. So I'm going to hang out here today, and tonight we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll get lucky. During World War II, this part of the desert was home to a advanced multi-engine flying school, and they designated that in 1942. 1943, there were Women's Army Corps here as support personnel. They also had an African American troops here. Mostly they assigned them to motor pool duties. And I got more cars coming. Okay, I got a minute. They had 5 runways out here and 4 hangars and according to this, a unique parking apron that was angled. Right over here near that picnic bench and up through there, there's remnants of a roadway that goes in, so I'm guessing that might have been the entrance off of 90 here. In any case, they did have brought Chinese students over here to learn how to fly the multi-engine bombers and so on. And when Germany surrendered, they were going to deactivate it, and then they started using it to train more people for troop transport into the Pacific because they were moving a lot of people by plane at that point. A little busy. Anyway, they did deactivate it in September 1945 after the Japanese surrendered, and they sold off the buildings to people in the local towns, and pretty much all that's left out there there's foundations, there's runways, and memories of those who supported the airfield during the war. So a lot of history in this one little spot in the middle of nowhere, southwestern Texas. Well, I kept an eye out last night, came out here with a group of people that are here looking for the lights, and did not see anything that I could not explain. What we did see, and you'll see this on YouTube as somebody saying that they were the lights, is standing here off that way near that mountain. Route 67 goes up over a pass, and there's some sort of tower that flashes a red light. So, ooh, white lights near a red flashing light. Yeah, not it. Over this other way, out that way, that's Mexico. And I think there's a road in Mexico because we can see what appear to be headlights on the horizon. Or a couple of guys sitting outside their house with a big flashlight messing with the gringos. Anyway, I didn't see anything. Doesn't mean that stuff doesn't exist. It's just I didn't see it. So if you ever get down this way, you're traveling near Big Bend, you come up headed towards Marfa. Stop here. It's a nice spot to camp for the night, other than the trains that go by every once in a while just on the other side of the road. So I'm going to hit the road. I'm headed down to Big Bend and National Park, and we will see how that goes. I'm sure I'll have a video of that. I hear it's pretty. So see you later, YouTube.